How to delete Facebook page. Firstly, open up your Facebook and click on hamburger icon and switch back to your Facebook page and click on hamburger icon again. Go to settings and go to page settings, and in this Facebook page information, go to access and control and click on deactivation and deletion and click on delete page and click on continue and select why you want to delete your page and click on continue and scroll it down and click on continue, and from here enter your password and click on continue. After 30 days your page will be deleted, and in this way you can delete Facebook page. If you find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe and do not forget to leave us a like and comment. Thank you.